Welcome or welcome back to my channel, you guys. Y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna get me actually a little ponytail because I need to put my hair up for this. And if you're wondering, my wig is not laying down. I just got a little headband on because I didn't feel like laying it down today. That's on period. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I always do something different, you know, never have some of the same content. You're welcome. But I will definitely be switching it up, and right now I'm doing like this little contact thing going on. As you can see, I got some natural eyes going on, and I need to change that a little bit. I don't need to, but it's kind of different. Change it up or whatever. Yeah, if you guys like videos like this, different content or whatever, make sure to subscribe. I post weekly, so you guys will always be seeing a video every now and then. I post like every 1 or 2 days, so I never actually have the days scheduled, but I will always be posting every couple of days, so be on the lookout for that. If you like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so like I said, what we're going to be doing is trying on different kinds of contacts. Not different kinds, but different colors. I will leave the name or where I got these contacts from down in the description box down below. But all these contacts, I believe they were like $13 or so. And I think it was actually buy two get them $20. I think that's what it was. Don't quote me on that. I'll put the information down below in the description box. But what I really want to do is try on some contacts so you guys can see with maybe darker complexion skin how these colors will kind of maybe look on you. Obviously you won't really know what they will look like on you until you actually try them out yourself. So feel free to go down in the description box and go check out the link or whatever I got down there for you, because right now I'm busy making the video. I'm not putting down the information, so yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now is put my hair up, if I can. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up. And right now I am new to contacts, so right now I am practicing putting them in.
But that's none of y'all's business, right?
To be honest, I should have put this in a little scrunchie, but that's good or whatever. If you guys do hear any noise in the background, disregard that. It'll be alright. Dang, I gotta be washing my hands like crazy because the little stuff I just put on should not be in my eyes. Okay, so as you guys probably seen, if you guys have not yet seen yet, I have a video of me trying contacts on for the first time, and the color that I was trying on were hazel. So that's just in case you watched that video and you didn't know what color they were. The color was hazel, and they're in this little contact case that I bought. I bought these from Walmart. So these are hazel, so if you want to know what I look like with hazel eyes, you guys can go in my past videos. But I'm going to be trying on 4 other different colors. So this color, I have gray, I have honey, I have, which is like, honey is like a, it should be like a, not a gold, but like a warm, you'll see. And then I have purple, and then I have green. So I'll be trying on all those colors so you guys can see how it would look, at least on my skin complexion. If you guys have the same skin complexion, then you know we good in the hood, you know what I'm saying? But then I'm gonna have these contact cases so I can put them in there, store them up, put them away for later. Yeah, and I want you guys to experience this with me to see what I'm gonna be looking like with different colored eyes, okay? All right, period. All right, so first we should try, what should we try first? First I'm gonna try honey. I'm gonna try honey. I don't know if I'm gonna get the process of me putting them in. I might, because like I said, I'm still practicing putting them in.
This might take an hour, this might take 5 minutes, I don't know.
But I'm gonna slide this little mirror to the side. There we go, so I can see what I'm doing. And I either will, like I said, record the process, or I will just go right to the color. So like I said, right now I'm going to be trying on honey. Ooh. Maybe I should dim this light, cause BB, oh my, come in. I was like, who's that? I got them in the quick.
Oh really?
These are honey.
That's good. Honey.
This is the color honey. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that really well, but maybe I should zoom in if I turn towards my eyes. So this is honey. And actually it took me like a couple of seconds, like a couple of tries, and I was good. So we getting there with the professionalism. I'm going to try out, let's see, I'll try out gray. I'm gonna try out gray. Yeah, we'll try gray. But like I said, these are it. It is what it is, and it do what it do. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Whew. One contact in. Okay, they're in. Try to make sure they're in, that they don't pop out. That'd be crazy. Okay, let me put the light a little. If you're a beginner, this is friendly to you, I promise. Very friendly. Don't look at the residue in my hair, like I said, but this is real friendly. Super friendly. We should probably go on to the next contacts. Okay, so now that we took those out of my eyes, let's see, the next color we're going to be trying out is green or purple. I'm trying them both out anyway, so I'll try green. I'll try green. We'll do green. I'll do right first, as always. I be like, I'm on a roll. Like, these are getting so easy. It's just crazy. Things like crazy. Oh, well, let me stop being cocky right now, because next thing you know, I'm gonna mess up my eyes. So we're not trying to do all that. Green, here we go. Oh wow, green. I look like I'm from the sea. All right. Put my left in. This is crazy. Like I'm from the ocean. Like I just came out like I'm from the ocean. Come on now. Come on, left. Don't be playing games. I know you want to get out. I know you want to experience life the way I'm experiencing it. Come on now, don't play games. Okay, green. Oh wow, that was cool. That was fun. It was awesome. How are we looking at green? I feel like maybe my outfit's like collashing against the color. I don't know. Is that the best term for that? But I actually like it. Like I said, I feel like I just came from the sea. The green sea. How we looking? And just to let y'all know, I'm chocolate. I don't know, sometimes with my lighting I'd be making me look light skin or whatever, but I'm chocolate. So like, I'm this color. There we go. Sometimes in the inner part of me, you know, I'm this color. So just my face. I don't know what the lighting doing right now. Let me turn off the light. This is what I am. This is what I do. But cool. Yeah, I think it looks good. Looks pretty good. All right, let's see what it do. Should I do my left first? I'm gonna do my left first. Yeah, I'll do my left first. Gotta break the tradition. Oh, okay. I see you. I see you, purple. I don't know if y'all could tell if it's purple. I'll put the other one in. We're gonna see. Oh, I could tell it's purple. That's all that matters, right? I can tell. Y'all can't, but I can. Let's do the other eye. Okay. They're both in. They're both in. And I'm crying. I'm in tears. Well, that's the purple. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, purple's a little iffy on me. I need like light colors, because you know I'm chosen and all. I really like this purple. Okay. Period. Let's see. Let me brighten the light for y'all. I need a flashlight so y'all can see. I'm pretty sure y'all still can't see. Let's see. Dang, nothing good zoom. Put my hair down now. I'm wearing purple, so might as well keep these in. But yeah, would I get these in the future? Definitely, because these are good beginner friendly contacts. If you are more experienced or anything like that, if y'all just want to play with some colors, you guys should definitely try it out. But if you're beginner, definitely get these because they're very affordable and the colors actually do pop. I can see the purple, which is all that matters. I guess I just need to wear a different color or something like that, or maybe a brighter light, but I can see the purple. I can see it. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments down below if you guys have any other video ideas or anything you guys want me to try out. Even if it's someone else's merch, I'm always up for it. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video.